temperature is 4 degrees Celsius. Wind is out of the south. I forget my direction. Is out of the south at 15 kilometers per hour. Skies are clear. Barometric pressure 101.4 and steady. Humidity is 68%.
Dispatch from Team Awesome, thank you for the forecast. Current forecast availability for future forecast over the next 12 hours.
Awesome Fire Department, there will be no change in the next 12 hours.
Additional resources, preparing.
Dispatch from Team Awesome, we will be rolling to the scene. Could I ask for a call out to extra resources, including red team? I need police, EMS on hand. We'll advise when we arrive at the scene.
Awesome Fire Department from Dispatch Company request for EMS, police, rapid intervention, etc. We're advising that I don't see.
Yeah, let's roll that.
Awesome Fire Department, Dispatch, go ahead.
Dispatch from Team Awesome, we can arrive at 124 Main Street. We can confirm there's a possible hazmat situation. We located it in. We're going to proceed with our hazmat operations. Can I confirm that there is a...
Pointing at the bin. It's a little tiny speck. All you can see is my finger.
Fire Department, the copy of the arrived on scene at 124 Main Street. We confirm possible hazardous materials incident. Is anybody in command?
Dispatch from Team Awesome. Officer Ware is on scene.
Officer.
I will now be myself Main Street command.
Main Street Command, copy that. You won't forgive it.
Okay, what I want is, while I'm getting this information, I want here's about 100 meters behind the bumper of this vehicle. I need 2 pylons set up there, and I'll get 2 pylons set up at the back of the trailer. 2 chairs in between, okay? If whoever wants to do it.
Set up emergency decon.
Set up emergency decon.
Yeah, you don't have to get too specific with it. You can just give them an emergency decon set up.
Please try not to go my way here, though, guys, if possible.
We need that like narrative to these videos to make it like a reality show. Make it more dramatic than it actually ever is. Firefighter weary peers into the distance.
We started right after dispatch. All I need is like a little red cranky light for the fire truck.
Liters, I guess. Okay, so it's an approximate. So are you confirming a spill, or are you just confirming that there may be a spill?
There may be a spill.
Okay. The container that you have there, I'm just curious, what type of container is it?
It's a plastic cylinder container.
Okay, is it a cylinder or is it a drum? Okay, so it's like a drum. What kind of products would you have in a drum?
Liquid.
Liquid? Okay. What did you give Canutech as a product? Faucet?
It's class 2, because I can see a 2 on it, and I can see corrosive.
Okay. Is the 2 part of a UN number, or is it the placard number?
I can't confirm. I'm guessing. Actually, it's a UN number. Sorry.
Okay.
The UN number starts with a 2, and it's a corrosive product.
Okay, it's a corrosive product. Excellent. So class.
Every good firefighter.
Ought to.
Ought to. Oh, I always forget the ought.
Read.
So class 8.
Correct. It's a class 8 material. Again, you can take a look at the placard. It's black on the top, white on the bottom, sort of thing.
Yeah, I didn't think of that.
And just again, trying to sort out what the products are. Okay. So you confirmed it's a liquid. It's something on its side. Approximate size of that container. Any idea?
The full size of the container would be approximately 50 liters.
Okay, approximately 50 liters. Good. And we can't really. Can you tell if it's leaking or not from
I can't
here?
tell if it's leaking, but it's a 50-liter container. There's only 30 liters of product. There's potential spill.
Okay.
We can't confirm either way. We're going to treat it as a spill at this point until we can confirm.
Okay, excellent. So knowing now that it is a corrosive liquid, what are you using for personal protective equipment for your firefighters?
We have structural firefighting equipment with the SCBAs. Is this appropriate for this type of spill?
Okay, it'll be appropriate. Just make sure you people stay out of the product. No direct contact with the product until we can confirm what the product is. Are there any victims in the area that you're aware of?
None that I can see. What I'll do is actually I'll get you to take a walk this way, just to confirm that you can't see any product. Stay 100 meters from the hot zone, please.
Yeah. So you got to make sure you're always 100 meters out. You probably go as pairs, so you can keep that buddy system in check.
The entry team guys?
Often the entry team guys will do it. That's something you can also do as soon as you get on scene. You take a little walk that way, and that way just let me see tell me what you see. And for the guys that are actually taking a look at it, make sure you're painting a really clear picture for your team leader, because he may not be able to actually even see what's going on. He may be stationed around a corner somewhere. So you're the eyes, so you got to give him a really clear picture of what you're seeing, if it's anything other than what he has seen.
You guys don't see any victims, eh? County attack, we do not see any potential victims.
Okay, so no victims on the scene at this point. Any sort of exposures in the area?
There's a building about 10 meters behind the product. Nothing that we think would be unsafe at this point.
Okay, gotcha. Is there anybody in the building right now? Does it need to be evacuated?
We can't confirm it. It looks to be a vacant building.
Vacant building, okay. Again, if you're familiar with the areas, the buildings in the areas, you'd know that what the use of it is type idea as well. So you take that into consideration. Also the day. The day is it's Sunday. It's a Sunday morning. Potential for there to be actually anybody at that building. It's like a city garage type thing right now. Is that correct?
There's some big country something on it.
Okay, it's a municipal office right now, so chances of having anybody actually even in there is very, very limited. So you could also have, when the police, when they've arrived on scene, you could have them, you could direct them to make sure that they're parked 100 meters minimum that way as well, and so that nobody's going to actually approach the building from a point that you can't see. So things like that you can throw up, you can use a police board, even though they don't really exist on our scene. You can give dispatch that information as well. You advise police to do this. If somebody is going to beat you on scene, make sure that you are going to give direction to them as well. That I want you to be minimum 100 meters, because again, before you get on scene, you don't know what it is typically. You can let them know that anybody arriving on scene prior to fire, make sure you're minimum 100 meters on the upwind side of the actual scene itself. So that's a minimum. So they should not be getting any closer than that at that point.
Is that when you're talking to dispatch before you come here, you mean?
Yeah, you can even
Okay.
do it before you come here. Sometimes the evaluator may ask any specific direction for EMS or police. That's sort of your okay. Well, yeah, make sure you tell them that they can be at least this far back, and again, you don't want them downwind. You want to make sure that they're upwind at that point as well. Okay, cool. So it's Canutech again. Copied all your information, repeated it back to you just to confirm. Again, if you can contact me with the amount of product possibly spilled once you have taken a look at it.
So call County attack back.
Yeah, get a hold of me and I can get you appropriate information based on an exact product. So you can ask me for certain documents at that point that you may require or would be helpful to you.
Okay.
You can do all that stuff then at that point. So,
Good.
all right. So basically, we can let you guys go in again, direct them not to have any contact with the product. Staying uphill upwind if at all possible of that product as well, but make sure they can check around. I'll go in with them and let them know really what they're seeing.
Okay. Okay.
When you need, you can call me back. I'll give you a case number. Because it's just you and me right now.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
If we had a case number, I'd just document it somewhere.
Yep. And that way,
I'll put it on-
anytime you'd call them back, and if that same person doesn't answer, then give them the number, whatever, or they'll know who it is just by taking this stuff in. Yeah. Before anybody goes in, you want to make sure that the line is charged, rapid intervention team is in place. But go through the safety briefing, let them know exactly what you're expecting of them.
Okay.
Yeah. Before anybody goes into the hot zone.
Hey guys, I'm in charge of scene here. Officer Ray. I'm gonna take charge as a safety officer as well. I have no one appointed safety officer.
Correct.
And
Yeah,
as
you're good.
just as I can be also a safety officer. I'll maybe be watching over you guys. Here's my entry crew. So here's my appointed. Okay, you guys are my entry crew. You guys are my decon crew. Okay. You guys decided you want. Okay. So you two are going to go in. I need you to let me know what kind of product that is. You can use a radio. It's just, as far as you know, it's not a flammable substance. We're outside in the atmosphere. I'm not concerned with any kind of sparks or any of that sort. I'd like you to go in, radio back to me as soon as you can identify what kind of product is on top. I need to see the UAD number on the placard. Let me know as soon as you're available. Decon crew will be ready to decontaminate, and we'll just confirm Rick crew is in place, and then we'll send you guys in. Okay? If you guys get in contact with the product, I need to know right away, so that we're ready to deal with that when you're on your way out. All right? And just keep eyes and ears open. Okay? Okay. Okay. Anything you would add to that, or? Yep.
Safety area in the hotspot.
Safe haven. Sorry. Okay. Okay, entry crew, we have the wind blowing south here. If shit hits the fan, I'd like you guys to go left towards the street and just hang out on the other side of the boulevard. Okay? Or no, sorry, just on this side of the boulevard. I'd like you to stay in the hot zone within 100 meters.
Okay.
Okay?
Anything else? Okay, they've got their tasks, they've got their safety issues.
Safe haven.
You want to do radio checks, you want to do hand signals, review hand
okay.
signals, and what you have to do in case of emergency, like if you're going to have an evacuation signal of sorts, that sort of idea.
Okay. If there's a need for evacuate, we'll call Mayday over radio, and we'll also get free blasts of the pumper. Typical Mayday signals. If you guys hear that, I would like you to progress out of the hot zone immediately. If you lose radio signal, I'd like you to put up your hand and give a little wave. And if we don't have radio signal, I want you to use an axe chopping kind of motion to show which direction you guys will be walking in, especially if you guys are heading to your safe haven. Okay. Once you have product number, especially good thumbs up, I'll be watching for you. I'll listen on radio for the identification of that product number.
And basically, it's what's. Go ahead.
When you guys are leaving the scene to come for your decontamination, I'd like you to go like this. Just say it to identify you're heading out of the scene, okay?
And so when they come out, basically, they're not going to be coming all the way out through decon because they're going to have to go back in and actually mitigate yet.
Okay.
So basically, you can tell them when you come back, stay in just on the edge of the hot zone, and at that point, you can tell them just conserve as much air as you can.
Okay.
Type idea, just so that you guys aren't. If you have a 30-minute tank, just so you're not draining your tanks before we're done with
Okay.
this. So.
Try to conserve your guys' air, control your breathing, slow breaths in and out through your nose, through your mouth. And when you guys are on your way out, I'd like you to stop at the edge of the hot zone so you can transfer more information between each other. Okay? You ready to go? Okay, let's do this, guys. Oh, wait, sorry, radio check. Entry clear from IC. Radio check. It's pretty quiet. decon crew from IC, radio check.
And they're also right here, so it's just a, hey you, decon guys.
Okay, entry crew, where to go?